Hello everyone, welcome back to Nina's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you the most easy, golden, crispy, juicy, roasted chicken. This chicken right here is done to perfection. If you would like to see it, keep on watching and let's get started. For this recipe I need chicken legs, spices, carrots, olive, bay leaves, thyme, onion and garlic. In a medium-high heat, in your cooker, put 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 big chopped onion, 3 pieces of garlic. Add your mixed spices, salt, black pepper, cinnamon, coriander, ginger, thyme, and 2 bay leaves. When this mixture starts to boil, in a medium-high heat, put your chicken skin side down. This method, we want to lightly grill our chicken and let my chicken absorb all this seasoning. Flip your chicken time to time to avoid burning it. Whenever you notice that your chicken is taking a golden color, now it's time to add 2 bay leaves, carrots, and hot water. Cook your chicken for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, whenever your chicken is well cooked, add your olives. Don't add them at first because they will give a bitter taste to your sauce. Whenever you add your olives, take your chicken to your oven and grill it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yum, 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 yum. Look at this color, it's a beautiful color. My chicken is well cooked and juicy and crispy in the outside, juicy and inside. My sauce is really thick and tasty. Look at this chicken. The skin chicken is very crispy. The chicken is well cooked and juicy. My carrots are well cooked and caramelized on the top. My sauce is very thick. Sprinkle some parsley on the top of your chicken. Serve it hot. Enjoy it with your family and your friends. French fries make the dish more delicious. Adding French fries to your dish is a very good idea. I hope you like the video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!